Hello guys and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy the Helium Mobile Coin. It's quite easy to get this done. Open up your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com. Once there, simply scroll down till you get to the contract address option. Copy the Solana contract address, simply scroll down once more and you'd find the market section. Now on the market section, you can find a list of decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges where the Helium Mobile is being traded on. And as you can see, the Radium decentralized exchange is one of the highest pairs. And based on the volume and the confidence score, we can work with this. So guys, for this video, we're going to be working with the Radium decentralized exchange. And the pair is the Helium Mobile against the Solana. So all you need to do is minimize, open up your Trust Wallet platform. With the Trust Wallet opened up, simply search for the Solana. That's native Solana is what we're going to be working with. So click on the native Solana. Please make sure you have some native Solana to be able to buy the Helium Mobile token. If you do not, click on the buy option and simply enter an amount you wish to buy. So once you've taken note of that, once you've gotten yourself some Solana, head to the browser section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, simply search for the radium.io. The link would be in the description of the video. Once you're on radium.io, simply click on the launch app option and we're taken to where we can simply swap our Solana. So make sure you've connected your wallet by using the wallet connect option at the top right. Make sure your wallet is connected. Once that's done, you could also turn off the version transactions where we have Solana and Radium. In place of Radium, that's the Radium token, simply paste the contract address we copied, which is for the mobile. Click on this. Enter an amount of Solana you wish to convert into the mobile token. Simply click on swap, and once you've selected swap, perform the swap transaction by signing it, put in your passcode, and once you've entered your passcode, the transaction has been confirmed. And now you can simply head over to the home section, and once you're on the home section, simply reload and you'd find the Helium Mobile on your wallet. And once you found the Helium Mobile on your wallet, do comment down below if you have a question and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.